So on this channel, I talk about BEAD business and tutorials. I talk about business growth, personal development, and lifestyle. And I tried TikTok ads like 2 months ago, and this is what I experienced. Early this year, I purchased a TikTok course, and I watched the videos judiciously. I implemented the videos, but I think I tried it for 1 or twice. I didn't really get. It was just it was I got views. Yes, I got a lot of followers and I got more views, but it didn't yield to sales. So I said I did it for twice and I stopped. Then I focused on organic, because most of the time I do not even run ads like that. Throughout this year, I've not even run Facebook or Instagram ad. Fast forward to July, I saw an ad again about TikTok ads. And something about me, I do not joke with knowledge. The fact that I bought a course and I've not got results, that does not mean that course does not give me that course. I've learned a lot from it, but I've not been patient enough to try again. This time, maybe to add more money, because that time I only did 2,000 per day, and I did for 3 days. I got more views. I got enquiries, but they did not lead to sales, and I got more views and more followers. So did the course work? Of course it did, but I wanted more sales as well. I've gotten views, I've gotten followers, and I also wanted more sales. So when I saw this course and I said, let me give it a try, maybe if I implement, maybe I don't know, maybe there's any nugget inside this course that is not in that one, or maybe there's something I will learn from here. And I got the course, and that time I made my hair. It was at that point of making my hair that day that I finished that course, because I went with my hairpiece and I was watching the lady explaining the course, and I think that the course was like maybe 6, or I think the videos were like 8 videos. So it was really short videos, go straight to the point, and it was really a beautiful course. Straight to the point, go straight to the point. It was beautiful. So when I got home, I tried it, and I did it for views, and it got me more views. I also tried for followers, it got me more followers. And this time around, I decided to try it for sales. Did it bring sales first? No. The first one I did, I ran 2,000 per day, and I think I ran it for 3 days. That was 6K. If you see my views, it was 10,000 views. I'm going to add this to this video. Then I did another one. No, I think I did first one was 1,000. Hey, there was one I did 1,000 was 2. I did it for only followers. I think I got more. I got few inquiries from that one, but that one did not convert to sale. The one that converted to sale was the one I did, which was 2,000 naira, and I did it for 3 days, and I targeted females. So this is what I noticed. Anytime I do sales, when I do the ads, I do leads. Anytime I do this leads, and I chose more TikTok messages, and I target both male and female. Those male, they used to stress me in my DM. Some will call me a scammer. Some will say, why is he expensive like that? Some will say they want to come to my office, and I do not have a walk-in store. I run my brand from the comfort of my home. They will send their numbers after seeing, and I will send them they will not respond again. But when I tried female only, I got my first sale from a woman. Women supporting women. She trusted me. In fact, she has already dropped a message for me on TikTok. I did not see it. She came from TikTok directly into my WhatsApp DM and said, I saw your ad and I know that you can deliver. I want to register my company. She went for limited company of 70,000 naira. Guess how much I used to run the ad? 6,000 naira. Guess the first sale I got from TikTok? 70,000 sale. That is how much more. If I remove the amount for the CAC, I got more that I can even use to run more ads. That's not all. Another day again, I ran and had 4 days. This time around, I did 3,000 per day for 4 days, which is 12,000 naira. I did not make any sale. Yes, but I got more views and some followers. So another day again, somebody from the previous one I did, which she came into my DM, or which I sent a message. She did not respond. Then she later responded that she was ready. That was after a month. So the one of the ad of the TikTok ad converted after a month. And also I've gotten like almost 4 people or 5 people that have called me on TikTok that they saw my ad. So this is what I want to tell you. And again, before I finish, I also got another sale. It was a man. He wanted tin. He has already registered a company. Tin is 7,000. So I got this 7,000 naira sale. All from where he saw my ad on TikTok. He came into my DM and I got his tin for him. Now this is what I want you to know. Ad is not something that will work immediately. Some of these people, some people, they know what they want. So when they see that it is your service or your product and they have money, they will buy and they trust you. But some people, they do not have the money at hand, they don't trust you yet, and some, they are not ready to buy. Some just want to make inquiries, maybe for later. So you have to know that the fact that you run ads now and you did not convert does not mean to not convert next month. But you also need to put money into your business. So you have to use money to find money. Hence, you have to invest into knowledge. So I am still going to go back to my TikTok course to milk that course again, because I'm going to run another ad again to make more. So I have gotten 3 sales from TikTok from ads, and I've gotten many inquiries in my DM, and some of them I say I will pay tomorrow. I'll pay going to be converted, because I have some that have even sent their information. Some have even sent company name. It's just for them to complete their information and to make payment. So it will definitely convert. So I tried TikTok ads, and this is what I had to say, that it's working. So if you are a business owner and you are watching this video and you have not, and you feel like maybe Facebook or Instagram is expensive, because it is not, maybe it is expensive. I've not even ran, I think I ran Instagram ads early this year. So I just decided to try TikTok ad from July and August, and I got 3 sales, and I know that I'm going to get more. I've gotten inquiries, more views, more followers. So if you're watching this video and you're a business owner, you want to take advantage of TikTok ads. If you don't know where to get it, if you don't know how to do TikTok ads, well, you can learn it. Maybe I might do a video course on TikTok ads, but I'm still trying to also navigate my own, what I've gotten as well, so that I'll be able to get more. So if you are watching this video, you can just contact anybody and get TikTok ads and learn. Don't start looking for those that will teach you for free. There are even some informations online. You can go online and check TikTok ads, and if you are ready to do mini mo and do trial and error, you are good to go. So this is me just saying that you have to do ads. You have to, if you know you cannot do ads for your brand. TikTok is very affordable. You do 1K per day and try it, and do for 5 days, 5,000 naira, because it's advisable that when you are running ads, you do from minimum of 3 days to 7 days, and even for 30 days. Don't do 1 day, because the ads will start gaining momentum from 2nd to 3rd day. So it is not when your ad is getting momentum that your ad will now end. It will now stop. No, when you are running ads, be it from Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or any platform, it's better you start from 3, 5, 7 days, or even 30 days. So if you are watching this video and you can afford 1,000 naira per day, and you know that you know about TikTok ads, please invest into your brand and run TikTok ads. You can even try for followers. If you want followers, I did for followers, and I did for 1,000 naira. I think I did 900 in 2 days. That's 1/8. I got 80 followers. 900 in 8. I won't be able to attach all of those screenshots in this video, because it's been it's stress for me. But I'm going to attach it into this course. Not say that I'm giving you audio, but we don't do audio here. Whatever you want to believe, you believe. But I run TikTok ads and I got sales. And am I going to get more sales? Definitely yes, because it is my 52 days of completion. Before 52 days, I'm going to get more people that will buy from me when I start running my ads this week. So if you're watching this video, you can do 1,000 naira per day. You can do for 5 days, do for 7 days. You can even do for followers. You can do for more views. Just make sure the video, your content is a very good content. Don't go use any other content for TikTok. Oh. No, use a content. You have to speak. In these videos, I spoke. It is CAC registration that I was talking about, and I was pointing to the frame and it worked. Maybe I'm going to include a part of that video in this video, so that
Don't let anyone deceive you. Your CAC registration document is very important. One of the things
what
you
am
can
I
do for
saying in
yourself
summary?
is to
Run
register your
TikTok
business,
AdWords.
your
You're
company,
not
or your
receiving
NGO with the
anything. It's still
Corporate
affordable.
Affairs
If you
Commission.
cannot afford Instagram or Facebook ad, run TikTok ads for as low as 1,000. You can do 1,000 naira per day for 7 days, for 5 days. You can do 2,000 naira per day. You can do 3,000 naira per day. If you know about TikTok ads very well, you want to milk that platform. Doing 3K per day, 2K per day, 3K per day, and I did for 4 days, did for 3 days, and I got my results. So this is me just saying that invest into your brand. Learn. Don't say coaches are collecting your money. The person that I paid that TikTok hard course to now, I'm saying God bless her. If I did not learn, how will I come and share it with you? Anyway, that means don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Yinka Beams. Don't forget to like, share, and even comment and subscribe to my channel. I am going to see you in another video. If you have any questions, please drop it in the comments and I'm going to attend to you. Thank you for watching.